Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Wayfair promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, you will have to come on wayfair.com's official website, and here you can see that currently my account is new and that's why it is giving me 10% off over here. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just simply log in into your account. You need to make sure that it is a fresh account, so then you can avail this offer. Second thing that you need to do is to simply come at the home page of Wayfair and check if there is any coupon code or deals available. As you can see that currently sale is going on these products, so you can just check that out and see if your favorite product is in this list, or if you find your item over here. You can see that currently you can find the $35 off and up to 60% off and fast shipping banner over here, so you can directly click on it and here you can get 50% off, 40% off. So you just have to simply scroll through Wayfair in order to find your best deals and offers on your favorite items. If you want to add more discount and promo codes on top of it, you just have to open a new tab and search for Wayfair working promo codes. After that, you need to simply open the websites that you see over here one by one, so that you could take a glance of what they are actually offering. You will also notice that Wayfair's official website is also among them, so you need to open that as well. Now you need to hop on to these websites one by one. Like I'm currently over here on couponfollow.com, where you can just simply select the coupon code in which you are interested, and then you can just activate that coupon code and use at the Wayfair's official website. You can see that we have also opened Wayfair's official website for coupon codes, and you can get up to 70% off every single day. All you need to do is to simply click on the shop now option over here, and you can get free shipping and bunch of different things. The same thing that I told you earlier, that you need to come to Wayfair's official website and try to find your favorite items. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.